So the best part of working here is like getting new opportunities and the people who are working here. So working here with such a brilliant minds and getting opportunity to work on such scalable system is like I cannot find that in anywhere else.
So first of all, I would like to say thanks to Suryalogics for providing me a platform to work in renewable energy sector and contributing to the net zero goals of India and world.
If I describe Suryalogics in a single word, it is fulfilling for me. My teammates, my managers are always supportive.
As a fresher, I get to know about latest technology. I feel very lucky to have the part of the Suryalogics family.
Here I completed 2 years in this organization. बऱ्याच काही टेक्निकल गोष्टींमध्ये माझं इम्प्रूव्हमेंट झालं.
Suryalogics has provided an extraordinary journey of learning and growth in renewable sector.
And opportunity in my life, it is a Suryalogics, and Suryalogics is my family.
As a fresher in renewable energy, Suryalogics has a good working environment.
Suryalogics is one of the best company in renewable sector. Now we are working with 20 plus countries.
So my best wishes to Suryalogics to expanding their business, and thank you for giving us opportunity to joining with this journey.
मला प्रत्येक डेला काही ना काही टेक्निकल नॉलेज मिळालेलं आहे माझ्या सिनियरकडनं, टीम लीडकडनं, मॅनेजरकडनं.
तर ह्या सगळ्यांसाठी मी श्रेय देण्याचं काम करेल ते माझ्या सिनियर्सना.
Every new question and every new doubt is like appreciated here. So I will recommend any other person who wants to work with a large amount of data should definitely come here.
Now Suryalogics is one part of my life.
If you want to dreaming big, if you want to achieve big, learn technologies every day. So you should be come to here this place.
I wishing to Suryalogics working in a green, renewable and solar energy which is continuous growth and innovations. All the best.
Thank you and all the best Suryalogics.
Thank you.
Thank you team Suryalogics. Thank you. Best of luck.
All the very best.
I wish you all the best.
Wish you all the best.
This is my Suryalogics. All the best.
To describe Suryalogics in one word, that's in my engineering language, what I would say that Suryalogics is directly proportional to the growth.